Ever since I got my Oakley Meta glasses, the microphone have been hit or miss. They'll sound clear for a few minutes, then drop, and I'm muffled. Even Meta AI struggles to hear me. I've never really felt confident in them because of this mic problem. So today, we're going to walk through every reset option live together. That means the app reset, the manual reset on the glasses, and even the case reset. We'll also keep this web page open on the side so we could reference what we're going through. So let's dive into it. We'll start with the app reset. Let's pull up the overhead of our glasses and the iPhone. This way we're all on the same page here. With that said, we have our iPhone open up here. We have our Oakley Meta glasses, and we are sporting our Lensology blue transitional lenses here. Still my favorite so far. According to the website and the instructions, we're going to jump into the iOS app, go into the settings, swipe left, tap General, Factory Reset, and follow the on-screen instructions. All right, we're on the phone here. Let's open up the Meta app. We have the little glasses on the right bottom here. Now we're on our Meta glasses, our Oakley Meta glasses. We're going to click the little gear, and then it says go into General, and there's the factory reset right here. So we're going to click that. It says return glasses to factory settings. Let's click next. Factory reset in process. Now it says, I don't know if this is supposed to be spinning, but it says see unpair instructions. Go to your Bluetooth settings, tap the icon, list of devices. So did it factory reset? Because that worked really, really fast. Again, I'm doing this for the first time with you guys. I have not done this before. I could see that the glasses are not in here anymore. And I guess that is a good thing, I'm assuming. I don't know if we heard that, but I did just hear a sound come from the glasses. So I'm not going to go ahead and add these back. I want to jump to the manual version of resetting these glasses back to factory. So let's jump to the instructions and the overhead view one more time here. All right, so in our instructions here, we're going to be looking at this. Let me highlight it. So it says, close the right temple arm. Close the right temple. So I guess if we have them all open, and I'm assuming they're looking at it this way. Close the right temple arm, which is the side with the button. So it's closed. And I don't know if you guys can see that. The light is blinking blue here. It says press the capture button 5 times until the notification light turns orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it goes. It's going orange. Press and hold the capture button until the LED starts flashing. So now I'm clicking and holding. Okay, I'm holding. It turned green. I don't see it flashing. Now it's flashing blue. All right, that's what we want to see, the flashing blue. Release the capture button and wait for the LED to cycle through white and blue before turning off to initiate factory reset is complete. Just so you guys know, it is flashing blue, not white, but in this lighting, it's looking white. Not sure how long this takes. It says it was supposed to cycle through white and then blue. I'm assuming that it's fast. Now it's done, I'm guessing. I'm gonna turn them off. So we have the switch on the left temple, turning them off. Of course, the light went away. I'm gonna turn it back on. It's blinking white here. It just said battery's at 100%, and it's blinking blue. Let's go back over to our iPhone, and I'm going to click Add Device, and select our Oakleys, blue light. I'm going to do it without the case, no case. Press and hold. Make sure your glasses are charged and fully on, with both arms closed. So let's close both arms again. Press and hold the capture button for 5 seconds. Release, then the notification light should be blue. I mean, it's already blinking blue. I'm not even going to do that part. Let's just click. There you go. So I didn't have to do it because we already factory reset it. Let's click connect, pair. Hey guys, I had to go off screen for a moment here because it won't let me pair the glasses while I'm screen sharing the phone itself. So I'm going to go ahead and skip this onboarding tutorials. Go back. Wants me to select always allow. I probably will change that later, but I'll do this stuff later. All right, so we have factory resetted it through the app and then did a manual reset, right? Let's go ahead and factory reset the charging case, right? Let's take a look at those instructions again. So the instructions say, remove the glasses from the case, press and hold the button on the back of the case for more than 16 seconds to factory reset the case. Okay, so let's jump back to overhead view here real quick. For those that don't have an Oakley, there is a button, and I actually made this mistake when I went live and did our live unboxing. Couldn't find it couldn't find the actual button for the case. So the case opens, this is the front, right? The light's the front, the button is on the back. So if you flip it over, and I'm looking, I don't see it, but you really have to curve it all the way down. And even in this, it's kind of hard to see. The button is right there. If you see it a little bit. I was looking like here and I didn't see it. You really have to turn it and pretty much be looking on the bottom. So it's saying press and hold for 16 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I don't know, I'm still holding it. Okay, now I see a light. Doesn't say anything about a light coming on, but I was just gonna say that. Perfect. So I let go after that white light came on for a little bit. That's all the instructions they gave us. So hopefully that works. And that's it. All 3 reset methods done for the very first time live. Now, the big question, did it actually fix my issue? Subscribe to find out. And for more real-world tech fixes. Till next time, guys. Later.